You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What's in a name? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And let's muse a little bit about the question why product naming matters in global businesses. We are right now in the middle of a name change. Audi, the German car manufacturer, made a decision to change the naming convention as recent as 2023. But now they announced they're changing it again. Audi announced in 23 that even numbers in the car nomenclature are now designated for electric vehicles and odd numbers for internal combustion engines, also known as ICE. Now they're going back to it. They will label cars with A's and Q's and other letters, and they will attach numbers based on size. If you want to know what kind of engine this car has, Audi now adds e-tron for electric cars and TFS for different powertrains and TDI for diesel. This case study from Audi underscores clarity and consistency is important. But what about customer trust and brand coherence? And that brand coherence component is the most important part. Are customers used to a certain product and will not buy a product if the product is changed? Think Twix versus Ryder, the story of renaming some chocolate some years ago. It worked, maybe. Audi is now getting some negative feedback from the publicity, but again, there are people out who say every change is bad and therefore it is bad again. But what are the real important things to consider? Securing a trademark would be a question to start with. Have you secured a trademark for your new brand if you want to change your brand for your company? Also consider cultural and linguistic considerations. If a name doesn't make sense in one country, if a name even means something very bad in one country, maybe it is not good to be used globally. Think of the Chevrolet Nova, which in Spanish means no-go, is certainly not a good car to be bought and marketed in the Spanish market. Companies therefore must conduct an in-depth research about the market, about the specificities, about the culture in the market, talking about what native language speakers would think about it, talking about cultural consultants to make the proper assessments. And yes, there is a commercial value in a strong product naming. So think about Chanel No. 5 or the Rolex Submariner. We all know these markets to see those brands will create some exclusivity. And if you think about Hyperloop, it is just a word for innovation these days. But global product naming matters for global businesses. In an area of cross-border commerce, digital platforms are all over, and instant worldwide recognition is the name of the hour. Product renaming is no longer a just local concern. It must be a global strategy. A strong name enhances the marketing effectiveness. A strong name which is trademark protected also gives you the legal securities. Often enough, I hear stories of clients coming in. They want to have a name, but they have not secured the trademark in the United States, whereas the trademark is secure in Europe, in the Alicante region. Businesses expand internationally. Therefore, they must ask themselves, does our product name convey the right message? And is it legally protected in our key markets? If the answer to one of those questions is no, my recommendation is pick a different brand name, because this brand name will be your market entry in the future. In the world where first impressions matters, and first impressions can make or break a product, how will your next product ensure your brand stands out? It resonates a global branding, and more important, it endures in a competitive marketplace. Let me know what your brand development strategies are.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.